Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to understand how to upload a video on YouTube. For that, you will have to log in with a Gmail account and then click on a new tab. Then type YouTube. Here you will find a button, Create, and you have two options here, Upload Video and Go Live. Click on this Upload Video. Then you can upload your picture here. Then click on Create Channel. Then click on this Upload Video. Then click on Select Files, and you can upload any selected video file. Select the video file and click on Open. It is uploading. Now type a title here. And then a description here. And click on Next. Click on Yes, it is made for kids. Then you can click on Next. Now you will have to select the visibility. There are three options. Selecting public will make it public video so that everyone can see this video. Next is unlisted, which means anyone with video link can see this video. Another one is private, which means that only you and people you choose can see this video. And now I click on public and click on publish. Now the video is available in online. This is the video link. You can copy and share with others.